We need to reunite education and nature. These students have such an amazing opportunity. Their backyard is thousands of acres of land to explore. We should let them explore it. We should encourage them to be curious about using technology to see what they're capable of.
I think everyone starts with curiosity. A student at the class session today asked me, why don't we just leave the watershed alone and do nothing and just leave it to be? And I asked her why she cares about the watershed and encouraged her to think about the places that she does care about and what she likes to do outside. So she told me about how she goes rafting every year. And I said, well, does that lead to you loving the river and caring about the river? And she said, yeah, absolutely. That's why I care about the river. And so she started thinking, I think for the first time, that having people in nature interacting with each other makes a difference in terms of how much they care about the landscape and how much they want to make an effort to conserve it.
Drone can be used many civil applications to measure snowpack, and also they can utilize drone technology to monitor potential wildfire in forest setting, and also students want to utilize drone to collect water sample and monitor water quality component. So yesterday is a great example. We actually went to field trip and students experienced how this drone can be used to solve many real-world problem in Sandpoint area, in Watershed setting.
One of the things that's really interesting to me that I've observed this week during NASA iDrone Watershed camp from the middle schoolers is this idea that humans impact our land and water, how much they matter when they go out in these spaces. And if they use a drone, why might they go out to use that drone? And I think that some of them are starting to understand that technology can be a superpower.
The watershed supplies pretty much all of the water for Sandpoint. When I was looking at the water samples, I saw all the little bugs and I thought, yeah, this would be a good job to help the environment, and I think I can do it.
I am 100% confident now after this week that if they stay in Idaho, they're going to make a positive impact. That's how you build a thriving Idaho.